Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you where you can easily find this serial number in your BOSE A30 Aviation headset. Your serial number may be useful for example, some warranty issues, etc. And to find it, at first let me take these cables out of the place here. I hate cables actually. Here we have to find now the right ear cup here, and we have to remove this ear cup, head cup, as you can see. It's not durable, as I can see, but that's not really matter. Here, as you can see, we do have serial number, and now we can place it back again here. I guess it should work. Hopefully I did not break the headphones. And yeah, but here we do have the serial number. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.